Dark water, fog drifting over a silent lake. No sound but water and wind. Dozens of ships, hundreds of sailors, all gone, without a trace. No crash, no distress signal, no wreckage, just silence. Welcome to the Great Lakes, America's own Bermuda Triangle. 5 massive lakes, some of the world's deadliest inland waters. Since the 1800s, over 6,000 ships have vanished here. Some were seen just hours before. Crews laughing, working, writing letters home. And then, nothing. The most famous? The SS Edmund Fitzgerald, a 729-foot state-of-the-art ore carrier. It sailed into calm waters. Hours later, it sent its final message. We are holding our own. Minutes after that, it vanished. No distress call. No bodies ever recovered. 29 men gone forever. Then there's the Rosabelle, 1921, a small schooner found upside down. Hull smashed, crew missing, no blood, no sign of struggle, just an empty, silent vessel. Between 1890 and 1920, more than 200 ships disappeared in the Great Lakes, with no wreckage ever found. Historians call them the Phantom Fleet. Even sonar can't trace them. It's as if they were swallowed by something deep below. So what happened? What keeps stealing ships from these waters? Rogue waves rising 30 feet in calm water. Magnetic anomalies throwing off compasses and radios. Hidden underwater caves, pulling vessels under. Or maybe something else. Something darker. Survivors tell of sudden walls of fog, engines that die without reason, and ghostly ships that appear in the distance, only to vanish when approached. And then there's the Lady Elgin, 1860, 400 people on board, only 100 bodies ever recovered, 300 souls, lost beneath calm water, never found. The lakes are quiet now, but beneath the surface lies a graveyard of ships that shouldn't be missing, and the memories of crews who never got to say goodbye. If you enjoyed this dive into forgotten history, like, comment, and subscribe, because more mysteries are waiting, if you dare to uncover them.